In Java 21 new features, we are going to talk about what is unnamed class. Until Java 20, we have to have followed that in some fixed standards, like we have to start with a public class hello world, and then if that is a main applications file, then we have to use the public statics void main string and then args, then system out println hello world, right? So from the public statics void main until this line were required, then only your main applications will be invoked. Now you can see there is too much things we have to do. We have need to declare that in a class with a string arguments as a array, then a statics modifier and many more. Now in Java 21, all those that is not needed. Just what we need a public name of that in a class, let's say hello, then void and then main, and then system out println, and you can pass the string method or we can use that in a variable. So it's a amazing features, right? Now with help of that you can see just we have to write a two line of a code, and there is no need to worry about public statics and string arguments and many more, so here you can see the way now Java in Java 21 it's going to be work like in void main system out println and hello world. Without that in a unnamed, with using that in a unnamed class. If you want to use that in with a class name, then you can use that in class name of the class and then void main system out println and hello world. As this is the preview launch inaugurated, in these features, so we have to enable it. By default, this features is disabled. So while running, you can do that in Java C hyphen hyphen release 21 and then enable preview Java, then enable preview main, or you can use that in Java source 21 enable preview and main.java. Now selecting that in a main method, you can select the statics void main string argument, statics void main, or void main string arguments, or void main directly. You know, you can also use that in a like in let's say a string greetings and return hello world, and then these greetings you can implement that in your void main and system out println. In other way also you can use as a field. So let's say here we have a greetings, and then in greetings a hello world value, and then we are passing as a variable. We can also create a objects, let's say with help of a new operator, new objects, and then dot main method while closing that in a bracket, and then as usual we can run it. In past we used to public class hello world, and then public statics void main string argument system out println and hello Java 21. Let's say I'm running. In that case you can see that in a output as a hello Java 21. So here you can see going forward all this public statics and string argument is not needed.